Hey, I'm Todd Hinson. I'm the director of the National RV Training Academy, and what you're about to see is Week 1 fundamentals. Now, we're broken off into our labs here, and then we actually learn individually the different components on the RV. So in the fundamentals class, we're going to be looking at different systems. We're going to be looking at 3 different electrical systems. We're going to get into plumbing, we're going to get into propane, and then we're going to get into, of course, our 4 largest appliances. We're going to be talking about the refrigerators, air conditioners, water heaters and furnaces, and even get into exterior.
Hi, my name is Brian Carbonell. I'm the Advanced Water Heater and Furnaces instructor. We cover tanked water heaters and RV furnaces. In this class, we teach our students how to diagnose and troubleshoot so that they have the ability to go out to the field and repair them.
Hello everybody, my name's Terry Lewis. I am an instructor here at the National RV Training Academy. Currently, I am the instructor for the Advanced Absorption Refrigerator class. I teach a lot of hands-on. I've been doing RV repair for approximately 20 years, so I bring to the table a lot of hands-on knowledge and field experience to try to teach these students to get out in the field and be able to remove, replace, and diagnose every part on an absorption refrigerator.
Hi, my name is Troy and I teach advanced air conditioning here at the nrvta, and we spend a week long troubleshooting, diagnosing the RV air conditioners from Coleman, from Dometic, just to name a few. We cover the thermostats, control systems, the control boards, all the components that make a rooftop air conditioner work so that we can understand how they work, and then to further educate our students on how to repair versus replacing the entirety of the unit.
I'm Chandler Cooper. I am the exteriors and hydraulics instructor. We cover slide out, leveling systems, electric and hydraulic. We cover electrical troubleshooting, awnings. We cover roof repairs, window seals, window replacement. We cover slide seals and slide seal maintenance.
Hi, I'm Terry Cooper, the Texas RV professor, and I'm the managing director here at the National RV Training Academy in Athens, Texas. We have designed these courses so that way they are 60% hands-on and no more than 40% in the classroom. Everything that we do has to be hands-on because most of us learn with our hands. There's a lot of stuff that can be taught out of a textbook, but you cannot teach experience. Come be a part of a successful, growing opportunity. The National RV Training Academy is the largest hands-on training facility in the country. Just remember, all roads lead to Athens, Texas. So we'll see you when you get here.